Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to use Google Fonts in CSS. So first, what is Google Fonts? Google Fonts is a free library of beautiful fonts that you can add to any website instead of boring default fonts just like CHUI or Arial, Times New Roman that are old-fashioned. So you can choose something elegant and modern. So how to add one? First, we have to go to fontsgoogle.com. Choose a font you like, such as Poppins, Montserrat, and click select this style and copy the link they give you. So they paste that link inside the head of your HTML file. Use it in CSS. So now that it is added to the HTML file, you can use the font in your CSS file like this: font dash family column Montserrat comma sans serif, and then apply it to the heading or body text. So now we can apply the font to our headings, paragraph, or even the whole body. So now we're going to see if the website changes. And that's it. Now your site has a clean and stylish font, thanks to Google Fonts. In the next video, we will use everything we've learned to create a business card. Let's go!